Hi guys, are you one of those few people who hate fractions? If so, this video is for you. You can see I have written three fractions. Two of them are going to be added and the third is going to be subtracted. There are a couple of methods of adding and subtracting fractions with different denominators. The one that I am going to be demonstrating here is by use of lowest common multiple of the denominators. The denominators here being 3, 15 and 20. Let us first start by finding the lowest common multiple of the denominator. The method that I'm going to be using here again is prime factorization method. So we must think of a prime number which divides at least two of these numbers here. The smallest number that I can think of here is 3, as 3 divides both 3 and 15. So 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15, 3 does not divide 20. So we write 20 as it is. Next number that I can think of here is 5, because 5 divides both 5 as well as 20. 5 is also a prime number. It is mandatory for you to use a prime number only here. So 1, 5 ones are 5, 5 times 4 is 20. You can see here we have got two ones and there is just one number left. So when there is just one number left, this is when you can stop division right here. So the LCM is basically a product of these numbers 3, 5 and 4. 1 is not to be multiplied as you will still get the same answer without 1. So 3 into 5 into 4, your answer is 60. 3 5s are 15, 15 4s are 60. LCM is 60. The main aim behind finding LCM was, so the denominators are all different. What we need to do is to make the denominators equal. So we are going to be converting all these three fractions into equivalent fractions with same denominators, that is 60. Let us see how we can achieve that. I am writing the first fraction. Okay. So as I said, we need to convert the denominator to 60. So we do that by multiplying this number 3 by a certain number so that we get 60. If you cannot straight away think of that number, what you can do here is write the LCM as numerator. In the denominator, just divide that by this number 3 and your answer is 20. So this is a number that we are looking for. So when you multiply 3 by 20, you will eventually get 60. The same number is to be multiplied with the numerator because we want equivalent fraction, and when we want equivalent fraction, we multiply or divide by the same number. We are done with the first fraction. So let us write the second fraction, which is 4 by 15. We use the same logic again. We want to convert 15 to 60. How can we do that? I write 60 in the numerator, 15 in the denominator and divide. On a calculator, you will get 15 times 4 is 60. So the number that you are looking for is 4. Check. 15 times 4 is 60. So we'll get 60 eventually. The last fraction here is, it was subtraction, my bad. So the last number here is 7 by 20. Now again, we need to multiply 20 with some number. What number? 60 by 20 gives you 3. So the number that we are looking for is 3. Let us see what we've got. We need to multiply. So 22s are 40 upon 23s are 60. Second fraction, 4 times 4 is 16. 15 times 4 is 60. 7 3s are 21. 23s are 60. See, we got all three fractions, denominators equal. This is what we wanted. Eventually, we are going to be writing 60 as the denominator, and the numerators, we will write them together with the sign. So 40 plus 16 minus 21. we need to add the numerator. So 40 plus 16 gives you 56 minus 21 by 60. You subtract this, you will get 35, 60. Okay, so you got one fraction in the end. This is not the answer because one more thing needs to be done. What you need to check here is if you can still simplify or reduce this fraction in its lowest terms. I can see that both of these can still be divisible by 5. So when I divide these two by 5, I get 5 times 7 is 35, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So 5 times 12 is 60. Now 7 by 12 is my final answer. I hope you understood it. Thank you.